may provide you voltage gain or current gain, but that will not provide the power gain. That's why the transformer is called as passive device. Transformer is called as passive device. Okay, this is a transformer equation. This is the transformer equation. Okay, in the combined sense, I can put the equation like this. Okay, I will erase. I'll put your equation. Okay, so please always remember, as per our discussion, if this is N2, then this is N1, then this is V2 divided by V1. Because because why this is, because V2 is directly proportional to N2, because we have seen EMF is always directly proportional to what? N. More the turns, more the EMF. Okay, EMF means what? It is not a current, it is voltage. EMF means what? Voltage. So more the turn, more the voltage. Okay, whatever you are having the turn, the similar voltage will be there. If N1, then corresponding V1 will be there. So please, because you may have a confusion, either V1 comes up or V2 comes up like that. So always V2 divided by V1, then this is I1 divided by I2. Then because you have to exchange the current. So this is the transformer equation, very important. This is the transformer equations. Okay, that connect everything, N1, N2, V2, V1, I1, I2. Okay, so next I will move to the generator. Okay, I will move to the generator. Okay, what is the concept of generator? Anybody?
Moving
what is the
coil.
concept? Moving coil.
Keeping constant field.
Okay, see, concept of generator is we have to produce the. Yes, madam. What?
Mechanical to electrical converting.
Okay, mechanical to electrical energy. Okay, somehow we have to produce the electrical energy. So there are two ways to produce the electrical energy. If you have a magnet, you change your coil, then you will get the light here, or otherwise you vary the magnetic field there somehow, then also you will get the light here. Now we are going to analyze the second condition. What I'm going to do, I am having the magnet. Okay, now I will try to rotate the magnet somehow. Okay, that I can do with help of external motor. Okay, because generator, what is generator? With the diesel or petrol, that engine is getting rotated. When the engine is getting rotated, we may think that either our magnet is rotated, or if magnet is constant, we can think of that like coil is getting rotated. In any way you can think, but here we are rotating our magnet. We are rotating our magnet. When our magnet is rotating, definitely there will be change in magnetic field. Okay, definitely there will be change in magnetic field. When the magnet rotates, d by dt is there. Once d by dt is there, EMF will be there. Okay, so EMF is directly proportional to d by dt, and d by dt is directly proportional to the amount of rotation of magnet. Rotation, more rotation speed, rotation speed. If speed is more, then change in flux will be more, then you will get more light. We'll see that. I am increasing the speed. I'm increasing the speed of the rotation of the magnet, then I will get more change in flux, d by dt, that is linking with this coil, then I will get more light. I will get more light. When I'm decreasing, my EMF induced also will decrease. When this is constant, there will not be any glow. Okay, so now I keep at some position, I stopped. Okay, this is one way. Can I get the light in another way? Another way also possible. I take this in my hand, whether that opportunity is given or not, I don't know. I think, yeah, I'm not able to move this, because if you move this coil, then also you can get the light, but that is not permitted here, because you will have any one of the case in reality. Okay, any one of the case in reality. So I have that. I don't have that opportunity here. Okay, that's okay. So what is happening when I'm rotating the magnetic field? Somehow my magnetic flux linking with the coil is changing. Then EMF is induced. Then current is glowing. Now instead of bulb, if I connect voltage, then that is going positive, negative, positive, negative. That's why in reality, when you have a generator, okay, once if you have a generator, once if you take the tapping from the generator, that is always AC. Okay, because what is happening? it is going positive and negative, positive and negative. That means what? You have a AC signal. You have AC signal. So generator la irundhu vara signal vandu na sir? Generator la irundhu vara energy vandu which energy? AC energy. AC signal தான் வரும். DC வந்து வராது because it is getting flipped. Okay, you will get AC signal. That's why என்ன பண்றோம்? Current off ஆச்சுனா என்ன பண்றோம்? டைரக்டா என்ன பண்றோம்? Generator connect பண்றோம். Without any inverter, directly we can connect generators. Okay, functions எல்லாம் பண்ணும்போது என்ன பண்றாங்க? Once current இல்லைன்னா என்ன பண்றாங்க? டைரக்டா generator connect பண்றாங்க. Okay, டைரக்டா generator output. Okay, you no need of any inverter and all because it will directly give you the AC signal. Okay, you can directly connect to the bulb, fan and everything. Okay, so that's one idea. Now so what you do, see, practically you go to the generator operator. If you know if somebody is available in your area, then you ask them, okay, so the generator produces the voltage in any two cases. Either the magnetic field has to rotate, then or otherwise the coil has to move. What is happening? என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா சார்? ரெண்டு கேஸ் பாசிபிள் சார் லைட் எரியணும்னா. ஒன்னு மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டு சுத்துறதுனால லைட் எரியலாம். அப்படி இல்லைன்னா மேக்னெட்டிக் ஃபீல்டு கான்ஸ்டன்டா இருந்தா காயில் கூட சுத்தலாம். காயில் கூட இப்படி சுத்தும் போது கூட என்ன பண்ணலாம்? லைட் எரியலாம். வாட் இஸ் த கேஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ராக்டிக்கல் ஜெனரேட்டர்? என்ன சொல்றேன்னு புரியுதா? ஸோ அது யாருக்கு தான் தெரியும்? ப்ராக்டிக்கலா ஜெனரேட்டரை டெய்லி யூஸ் பண்றவங்களுக்கு, அதை ரிப்பேர் பண்றவங்களுக்கு தான் அது இது தெரியும். வாட் இஸ் ஆக்சுவலி இன்சைட், வாட் இஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ்டு, வெதர் த மேக்னெட் இஸ் ஃபிக்ஸ்டு or rotator is fixed or which one is fixed. Okay, so what is actually happening? Okay, okay, so என்ன சொல்ல வரேன்னு புரியுதா சார்? there are two possibilities. Okay, எது ஆக்சுவலா நடக்குது பிராக்டிக்கலா அதுன்றதை நீங்க தெரிஞ்சுன்னு பார்ப்போம். Again I will give you one more example. In olden days in the cycle, you might have seen the tire, backside tire, there will be one dynamo. ஞாபகம் இருக்குங்களா? In olden days you will have on the backside tire dynamo. From the dynamo we will take the wire to the front, then we will connect with the bulb. Okay, again that means what? With the help of your friction with your backside tire that is rotating, okay, something is there inside, some magnetic field and loop is there. So as the magnetic field is changing, then you are getting the current. Then you just try to know what is happening inside, whether the magnet is rotating or the coil is rotating, in which way you are getting the current, in which way you are getting the current. Okay, so now next what I will do, only 4 minutes is there. Okay, I'll try to finish within that 4 minutes. Okay, next if I change the strength of the magnet, what will happen? Okay, now I am running the experiment, I am getting some light. Now I am increasing my strength. Okay, or otherwise I am decreasing my magnetic strength because magnetic field is changing, but strength of the magnetic field I have reduced, then I am getting less light. When I increase the strength, I am getting more light. Okay, I am getting more light. Okay, this is like field. Okay, magnetic field. Again, I can use field meter if needed. Okay, so and again here also I can increase the loop. You know that once if I increase, okay, I am at some condition. I am at this condition. If I decrease the loop, I will get less light. If I increase the loop, number of loop, I will get more light. I will get more light. That's why I have written like this. Okay, so EMF induced is always directly proportional to the number of loops. Okay, so yes sir, you got ideas how the simulation is working? Okay, so இதெல்லாமே நீங்களும் போயிட்டு செஞ்சு பாருங்க. This is like PHET simulation. Okay, that is available in the internet, but you have to install Java applications. Okay, Java applications. Okay, வீட்டில் போய் செஞ்சு பாருங்க. நீங்களா செஞ்சாதான் உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஐடியா கிடைக்கும். ஸோ ப்ளீஸ் ட்ரை டு டூ இட் த கம்ப்யூட்டர் சிமுலேஷன் அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ப்ராக்டிக்கலாக நான் ஒரு சிலர் சொன்னதை கூட என்ன பண்ணுங்க, செஞ்சு பாருங்க. Okay, recording can be stopped. Okay, then we'll have